Central Virginia, North Central Lumber County in South Central Virginia, Northwestern Nottoway County in South Central Virginia until 6:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall to warm areas. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
I'm not really getting good signal. Definitely going to rearrange the radios.
Radar. Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks. Urban areas. Underpasses and low underfloor drainage and low areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include College, Kansas City, Nottoway, Burnsville, Green Bay, Williams, State Park, Prince Edward Lake, Prince Edward Station, Burke Tavern, Fulfield, Berlin, Schofield, Maywood, Jennings, Fort Marion, Briery Creek Lake, Shinsville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
Okay then.